2019 Toyota Camry. Toyota Camry is an affordable mid-size car. Reliable and great comfortable commuter car. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, power passenger seat, dual airbags, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, security system, compass, power windows, trip computer, heated front seats, CD player, rear window defroster, electronic stability control, remote keyless entry, brake assist, overhead console, panic alarm, front reading lamps, power driver's seat. Your new ride is just a phone call away.